Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create soft edge masks with mask overlay. Start by selecting your subject roughly and open the Select and Mask workspace. Enable Mask Overlay View mode to clearly see the masked areas. Use the brush tool with a low hardness setting and gently paint along edges where soft transitions are needed. Adjust feather and smooth controls carefully to avoid harsh lines. Zoom in to refine curves and rounded surfaces. Toggle preview modes to ensure the edges blend naturally with the background. Once satisfied, output the mask as a layer mask. Soft edge masks help create realistic edits, so